Good morning. I'm Dr. Tim Coleman. This is the ABC 3340 Weather Extreme video for Sunday, February 13th, 2011. And what a great weekend to be the weatherman. After all of these weeks and weeks of winter weather, temperatures below normal, now we've got sunshine this weekend, and actually temperatures today should be above normal. It highs yesterday, 55 in Birmingham and Anniston, 57 in Tuscaloosa, about 59 in Montgomery. Now, even though we're starting off chilly in the 20s again this morning, temperatures will rise very quickly this morning. And the temperatures by this afternoon will be 8 to 10 degrees warmer than they were yesterday. Most spots today in the low to mid 60s. Not much going on around the country today. You can see plenty of dry weather, a few rain and snow showers in the Pacific Northwest, also around Lake Erie, but most of the country has plenty of dry weather and severe clear, as we'd like to call it. Looking at the entire western hemisphere here on satellite this morning, very early you can see clear skies over most of the southern half of the United States, from sea to shining sea, so to speak, all the way from California to South Carolina and Georgia. Plenty of sunshine coming up today. We'll have sunshine here in Alabama again tomorrow and Tuesday as well. Maybe a few clouds or even a few showers late this week, but overall, the weather should be nice most of the week. Now, the big pattern change we're talking about is in the upper level wind pattern. We've had an upper level trough reflective of cold air here in place for much of the past 2 months, but that is starting to change. Looking at it tomorrow, you can see a ridge starting to build in from the south. One big trough way out in the northwest, south of Alaska, another one up to our northeast, but that high pressure ridge builds in. Now, an upper level disturbance will come through here on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe a few high clouds on Tuesday and Wednesday. Could even bring a shower in here Wednesday or Thursday. But even if we do see a shower, it won't be more than about 1/10 of an inch of rain, and that ridge just keeps on building in here. Now, late this week and early next week, we may see a cold front try to move into Alabama, but even if it does, it shouldn't bring any major shot of cold air, as the upper level pattern still has a big ridge over the southeast at that time, so most of the cold air should stay up in the northern United States and in Canada, and that's certainly a nice change to see. This big weather change pattern we keep talking about, this is looking at the entire northern hemisphere, upper level winds. For a long time, we've seen a big blocking ridge over Greenland and in the North Atlantic and that circled area. That ridge is now gone, replaced with a trough. That allows systems to move on through, and it stops these cold troughs from continuing to dig in the eastern United States over and over again. Another thing that's changing, we're getting more sunshine. Back in December, the sun was further south. You see it's coming north now. Our days are longer. We're getting a higher angle of sunshine, and by April 1st, which is not that far away, the sun will be north of the equator, and we'll be getting a lot more sunshine. Taking a look at temperatures next Saturday afternoon, even with that cold front approaching Alabama, we see temperatures over the northern United States in the 20s and 30s, where they have been below zero here lately, and over the southeastern U.S. still in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So a major pattern change. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s most of next week, maybe reaching 70 in some spots late in the week. We'll see sunshine early in the week, maybe a few clouds increasing late. A chance of showers late in the week, but even that won't be that big of a deal. So overall, a nice forecast. Have a great day.